Hi everyone. Today we talk about how to create customers and how to create leads and then quotation. We also have work orders, from work orders how to create schedule, from schedule to mobile app, and then we also have how to account in the invoice. Whenever we do the invoice, we can do the update here in our PCMS system, and we also have an inventory system. But this short video is only talk about how to create customers, and then we'll talk about how to create leads and then quotation. It's very simple, straightforward. So let's get started. So I log in with my credentials, my Windows thing. So I log in using my account. So I logged in. As usual, you see the dashboard. The dashboard is all about who's doing what today, all the active jobs. So you can see all the modules here: customers, leads, work orders, scheduler, jobs, and then the billing. Once job is done, the billing is taking place, and we also have inventory. And the settings is for admin actually. So what is important here? So this is already in sequence. So we have to create a customer first and then create lead. Lead is nothing but the new lead is we receive from customers either by email or by WhatsApp or direct call in whatever the medium that we have. So once we create a lead, then we can create a quotation inside the leads, and then we create a work order. So it's pretty much in order already. So we not talk about work order, scheduler, or jobs or inventory today. So in this video we only talk about customers and leads. To create customer or view customer, you go to customers and you can see all the customers are listed here, and you can also search by typing here any customer you want to type search. Let's say I want to search for NDU. Just enter, you will see this customer. Then you want to create new, you always look for the new button here on the left side. So click new, and then you can create a customer, whether it's residential or government or commercial. You can choose accordingly. Enter the name, market sector, address, country. You can choose district. Whatever the asterisk mark, the star mark on the field name is actually mandatory. The rest all is optional, but it's good to have if you have information. So state, payment terms, payment mode, billing frequency, email address of the customer, phone number, fax, and allow photo upload. This is also important. When you tick allow photo upload, then for this customer, when the field engineers, technicians are doing job, so when they upload photo, they have option to take photo or upload photo, right? So if you do allow photo upload, that means user can actually take photo from their camera, and then they can upload in our app. If you don't tick this, then we don't allow photo uploading. They can only do live pictures. They can take live picture and then actually they can submit. So they cannot upload from their gallery. So that settings is done here in the customers and their website address and remarks. So that's how we click create. Let's say you don't fill in the mandatory fields, so you will get this kind of error warning. So you have to fill this out. So we already have pretty much a lot of customers here. I take ad hoc as an example. I don't want to create new one. So here, if you want to edit, for example, you can click edit and you can do all the editing of this existing customer. And the customer is not just this, and we also have this arrow mark here. That means we have something inside this customer. So click this to expand, and you see two options here, two tabs here: service locations and contacts. So the contacts is just for your reference. This has no impact on any other module. So if you want, let's say the customer has got multiple contact points, multiple people to contact. So you can click new, and then you can add a name of the person, and email, phone number, designation. Email report is just option. Let's say once the job is done, you want to send a report to this person, then you just enable this button, then automatically the report will go to this person when the job is done for this customer, right? So okay, that's about adding contacts. You can add more contacts if you want, but it's completely optional. And we have service locations, which is very important, because one customer we might have multiple locations. So what we do, we create new, or we can edit, delete. But generally, if you are added, then not to delete anything until otherwise it's never used. So when you want to add new, so again you add a new service location. Just add the name of the person, email address, phone number is all optional. Address is important, and the state is optional. Country, and generally Singapore if customer is added as a Singapore, and then postal code. That's it. And then this also, you can enable email report, yes or no, and then the notes. So that's about service location, which is also very important. This is important when you do scheduling, because that's where, when you do scheduling, which location you are scheduling for, that's where you choose these locations. So not always all location, but yeah, depends on the scheduling. You will choose these locations during the scheduling stage. So for now, you just add all the locations that is available, that you generally do the services for this customer. Okay, is only for this particular customer. So you can see the customer name. So whatever we are adding, only for this customer. That's why we are here inside the detail. So whenever you see the arrow mark, you make sure there is something inside. That means more details about this particular record. Okay, so this is all about creating customer. It's very simple. Two steps: create customer, and then create service locations, and the contacts is optional. So these are the three main activities that we do under customers. That's all. And then let's move to leads.